Looking for a reliable trading strategy? This video introduces one of the best scalping strategies using on the best buy-sell signal indicator on TradingView, suitable for forex, gold, crypto, stocks, and more. This strategy is perfect for scalping, day trading, and swing trading. Stay tuned until the end, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Go to the Search Indicator tab and type in forex Global Trend Signal. Select forex Global Trend Signal by Riffer21. Make some adjustments to the Global Trend Signal indicator. In the Input tab, leave the indicator at its default settings. Go to the Style tab and set the shape colors so they are clearly visible. For the first shape or sell shape, set the color to red. For the second shape or buy shape, set the color to green. Once done, simply click OK to confirm the changes. We will use this global trend signal indicator as a guide to place orders in the market. This indicator will provide buy and sell signals. If a buy signal appears, you will focus on placing buy orders. If a sell signal appears, you will focus on placing sell orders. Now, add the second indicator, which will be used as a filter for the signals that appear. Go to the Search Indicator tab and type in AKMACDBB indicator. Select AKMACDBB indicator by algo. Make some adjustments to the AKMACDBB indicator. Go to the Indicator Settings tab, and in the Input tab, set the BB period to 12. Then go to the Style tab and uncheck the bar color option. Once done, simply click OK to confirm the changes. The AKMACD-BB indicator is a combination of the MACD and Bollinger Bands indicators. The red and green dots are the signals from the MACD, while the cloud represents the Bollinger Bands indicator. If the dots from the MACD indicator are green, it is a bullish confirmation. If the dots from the MACD indicator are red, it is a bearish confirmation. How to place a buy order. If the trend signal indicator gives a buy signal, you must confirm the buy signal. Ensure that the AKMACD-BB indicator shows a bullish confirmation, indicated by green dots on the indicator. If the AKMACD-BB indicator shows a bullish confirmation, it is a valid buy signal. As the final confirmation, ensure the candlestick formed is a bullish candlestick. If all conditions are met, you can place a buy order after the bullish candlestick closes. Place the stop loss at the last swing low and target take profit using a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. How to place a sell order. If the trend signal indicator gives a sell signal, you must confirm the sell signal. Ensure that the AKMACD-BB indicator shows a bearish confirmation. As the final confirmation, ensure the candlestick formed is a bearish candlestick. If all conditions are met, you can place a sell order after the bearish candlestick closes. Place the stop loss at the last swing high and target take profit using a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. That's all for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.